हकीकत बनाने जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं, खुद के होने की पहेली सुलझाने जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं। कदमों में जमा जो थका चैन की नींद आती वहाँ, कदमों में जमा जो थका चैन की नींद आती वहाँ, इतनी सुहानी बना होना पुरानी तेरी दास्तां।
जाता है वो दिए की तरह, कई जीवन रोशन कर जाता है। कुछ इसी तरह से हर गुरु अपना फर्ज निभाता है। इसी छोटी सी पंक्ति के साथ मेरे प्यारे प्यारे टीचर्स को, भोले भोले टीचर्स को, व्यंग से डांटने वाले टीचर्स को, प्यार से बेटा बोलने वाले टीचर्स को, मेरे विद्यालय के सभी टीचर्स को इस शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मेरे हिसाब से कि यही दिन होता है जब हम टीचर्स होने का अनुभव कर पाते हैं। एक यही दिन होता है जब हम बिना किसी डांट के दूसरे टीचर्स की एक्टिंग कर पाते हैं। हाँ, और बात ये सच भी है। मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ जो कि मेरे प्रीवियस स्कूल के टीचर ने लिखा है। उन्होंने अपने टीचर्स होने के अनुभव को कलम के माध्यम से पन्नों पर बिखेर दिया है। उस कविता का शीर्षक है हाँ मैं शिक्षक हूँ। हाँ मैं शिक्षक हूँ, उन डॉक्टरों के पीछे मैं ही था, उन अर्थशास्त्रियों के पीछे मैं ही था, उन अंतरिक्ष विज्ञानियों के पीछे मैं ही था। ज्ञान का प्रकाश लेकर भले ही वे मेरा मजाक उड़ाएं, क्योंकि मैं शिक्षक हूँ। मेरे पास महंगा घर नहीं है, पर हाँ मैं शिक्षक हूँ। कभी कभी मैं उलझ जाता हूँ मेरे अधिकारी और राजनेताओं की बदली नीतियों में, जो बताते हैं कि मुझे कैसे पढ़ाना है, पर फिर भी मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ। जिस दिन वेतन मिलता है मैं औरों की तरह नहीं हंस पाता हूँ। जिस दिन वेतन मिलता है मैं औरों की तरह नहीं हंस पाता हूँ, पर अगले दिन मुझे मुस्कुराकर जाना है उनके लिए जिन्हें मैं पढ़ाता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ। हाँ मैं शिक्षक हूँ। मेरे संतोष का कारण जब मैं देखता हूँ अपने छात्रों को आगे बढ़ते हुए, सब कुछ प्राप्त करते हुए, और तब मैं कहता हूँ गूगल के ज़माने में भी हमने पढ़ाया है, क्योंकि मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ। हाँ मैं शिक्षक हूँ। कोई बात नहीं वो मुझे किस नज़र से देखें, कोई बात नहीं वो मुझे किस नज़र से देखते हैं, कोई बात नहीं वो मुझे कितना ज़्यादा कमाते हैं, कोई बात नहीं वो मेरी कितनी इज्जत करते हैं और मानते हैं। वो कारों में घूमते हैं, मैं पैदल चलता हूँ। वो कारों में घूमते हैं, मैं पैदल चलता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं शिक्षक हूँ। हाँ मैं शिक्षक हूँ। Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.
Hello everyone, a warm and heartfelt welcome to all the stars of SOE, including our principal sir, our beloved teachers and dear friends. Today, as we all know that Teachers' Day is approaching, and every year Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September on the account of the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. In this video, I will be giving my views and the experiences that I have in SOE Kalkaji from last 1 year. Let's get started. It's been 1 year since I am in SOE Kalkaji. Last year, in April, I was a very new student in SOE and I didn't know much about SOE. And the first day of school was really good, because the teachers talked very smoothly to all the children and they were really not showing any strictness. And even today also they do not show any strictness, because they are really, really good, I should say. And they passed on and we got to know more about our teachers, and they were really loving to all the students. all the teachers are equally beloved for me. And teachers are really God gifted. They are very, very friendly to the students, I should say. They never scold us. And I really appreciate their way of teaching, because I really like the way of teaching of my teachers of SOE Kalkaji. So I thank our teachers on this Teachers' Day. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am or sir. This is the kind of tone that I used to have generally when I meet my teacher, you. But today I want to express what I think about you. I'm not of the sort of students that always used to raise hand in the class and they give you feedback. Many times you ask, I have stuff but I think I shouldn't speak, or due to any reason. And it's not just me but many other students. Today I'll tell you what I think of you, but you know, because you know a lot about students, about us, that there are students like this who think the same way. Firstly, I would like to tell you, I don't like you much. Whenever you don't appreciate me for the work I used to do, whenever you ask me for homework, I don't like it. Seriously, you know, when I don't score well and you seem disappointed, I don't like it. When you don't appreciate me and some other child, sometimes I get upset. Then I used to raise myself. This is what understanding I have developed, that the teacher would appreciate the best and I have to be the best if I want to get appreciated. And if they're not appreciating me, it's fine, I'll try again. This is the amount of value your appreciation holds for me. Whenever you appreciate me now, that particular moment, that's something that at that time I never smile. You know what kind of child I am, but I really like it. That night I used to work throughout the night, literally throughout the night. The subject that I don't like, if I like you, I used to work so hard for that. And you know everything, you know this too. I know that you know everything, but I'm still telling you, because I haven't told you it this way, never. And I think I would never do it face to face. Even to our principal sir, the kind of leadership that he possesses, the kind of inspiration I've got from him, I cannot just tell that. You are so important for me, despite everything that I experience every day. I share those things with you that I have never shared with anybody. I think nobody is deserving. I share everything with you. I can. If I find that I am in need of something, I feel like this is the person that can understand me. Oh, it's working. I thought I'm too emotional and this is not working. This is what I think of you. Your appreciation matters a lot. You know everything. You are a mind reader. You always read what is in my mind. And I'm so grateful for you. I couldn't express myself that easily. Like as you can express the value of a grain of wheat or rice in your life. Nobody can. Because that's such a general thing and such an essential thing. As you are for me. The kind of marks that I score, the kind of persona that I possess, the strength that I have, everything is because of you. I know. these are my capabilities, something that are in me. But without you, how could I access them? This is the value of yours in my life. I have just this to say, that as soon as I heard of that couplet or whatever it is, saying if you have God standing in front of you and your teacher, whom would you greet? I would choose you. I would choose to greet you, because I have not seen the God that way. I've seen you. In my area, there are not much people whom I can see as an ideal, but I've learned everything from you, from my school only, and you were the God in that temple. Thank you for being there. I know you knew it, but as you always appreciate us, scold us, and do all the things that makes us realize what we are to you and what we should try to, and to just challenge our limitations. I'm just telling you, you're important. You are valued. You are loved. You are an ideal, not just for a single child, but for how many people, you or me, or nobody can guess maybe. So thank you for being there. I'm really grateful for you. Thank you. Have a very happy Teachers' Day. This day is just one day that helps me to, and many people, to express their gratitude towards you. Otherwise, every day, like Independence Day, like Mother's Day, is for you. Thank you for being there always. Thank you so much.
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. Sir, this is very small surprise for you all, but this is very hard to say. ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं चाहता, ज़्यादा बोलना भी नहीं चाहता, बट हाँ इतना कहना जरूर चाहूँगा कि 25 अप्रैल 2018 को जो हमने स्टूडेंट और टीचर के बीच का सिलसिला शुरू किया था, जैसे हम आम भाषा में सीखने और सिखाने का सिलसिला कहते हैं, फिर रुकना नहीं चाहिए, वह थमना नहीं चाहिए, इसी प्रकार निरंतर चलता रहना चाहिए, हम स्कूल में रहें या ना। और फिर ये तो ऐसा ही है, इसकी बातों को, इसकी खुशबू हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं, यहाँ के टीचर्स की मोटिवेशनल बातों को कैसे भूल सकते हैं। अगर भूलना भी चाहें तो भी नहीं भूलने देंगे आप लोग, हम जानते हैं आपको। Honorable respected principal sir, very inspiring person, peaceful nature, very kind-hearted person sir. Thank you sir. सुमन मैम, साइंस क्लास, एक ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल शुरू होते हुए एक कुछ में ख़त्म होती है। सरिता मैम, SST टीचर, क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले 2 मिनट एक्सरसाइज करवाना। थैंक यू मैम। एंड व्हाट कैन आई से अबाउट प्रियंका मैम, इंग्लिश टीचर, इंग्लिश रीडर्स क्लब, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीचर, very helpful teacher. The way you teach is really excellent ma'am. Thank you very much. छवि मैम, संस्कृत टीचर, क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले रोज़ एक नया मंत्र सिखाना, उसका अर्थ समझाना, उसको याद करवाना। OMG मैथमेटिक्स क्लास, अजय वीर सर क्लास, सर का एक नए तरीके से, नई सीरीज से हम लोगों को मैथ सिखाना, ताकि बच्चों को बोर ना लगे, उसे बच्चे समझ सकें इजीली। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, ये बहुत लुभाता है हम लोगों को। हिंदी क्लास, रेखा मैम, प्रदीप सर की क्लास, एकदम कैसे भूल सकते हैं। हिंदी की तरफ एक नया रुख देना, हिंदी से बच्चों की पहचान करवाना। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सर, हमें बहुत याद आता है। एंड द मोस्ट एन्जॉयबल क्लास, ड्राइंग क्लास, सुब्रह्म क्लास, दिमाग में जो भी होता है बच्चे उस शब्दों से लेकर चित्र में उकेर देते हैं, मैम उसे एक्सेप्ट कर लेती हैं, गलतियाँ बताती हैं हमें। थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम, आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखना है, आपसे बहुत कुछ जानना है, आगे भी ऐसे ही हमारा मार्गदर्शन करती रहिए मैम। थैंक यू एंड अगेन विश यू वेरी 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 हैप्पी टीचर्स।
My dear teachers, I remember the day when we all entered in a new setting, little excited, little nervous and all setting. But then we found you all there smiling as if assuring us to give our dreams strongest wings. Books are the root of our relation, so with their love came some expectations. Sometimes there was scolding, sometimes we won the crown, but our heart never wanted to let your heads down. In this beautiful journey, we made many mistakes, and you always made us understand that life is not a game of retakes. Today, we can promise you to be a good human, not knowing about rest, and the fact that you are teachers gonna remain the best. Thank you to all of you for being here for us. Wish you a very, very, very happy Teachers' Day. Bye, your dear student.
Morning to all my teachers. On this particular occasion, I am here to take the opportunity to convey my gratitude to the teachers who are giving their tremendous contribution in the society. My word like this: you held me when the wind blows strong, and the way you punished me when I was wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So why should I dedicate to you just this day? For me, every moment is a teacher's day. People will leave, but your teaching will stay. To all my parents, teachers and friends who have taught me something in some way, all that I have to say is a happy Teacher's Day. My teacher, you guided me, encouraged me, taught me and inspired me, pushed me to do my best. Thanks for caring about me. You're the lamp of the nation. You're the only one who serves the society in a real manner. Salute to all the teachers of nation. Happy Teachers Day.
हमारे एसओए की तो बात ही है, सिर्फ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं है अच्छा, वहाँ के टीचर्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं बाकी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से। सिर्फ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में ही वो ये नहीं कि वो बाकी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से आगे है, वो आगे है इसीलिए क्योंकि वहाँ के टीचर्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, वहाँ के टीचर्स काफ़ी सपोर्टिव हैं and we can say that they are embedded with discipline, guidance, inspiration, सब कुछ है उनमें। एक ही आदमी में, एक ही पर्सन में आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा वहाँ पे, जो कि हमारे टीचर्स हैं। और they are like friends. They not only teach us bookish chapters, but they teach us life lessons also. So with this, I want to wish all the teachers of SOE a happy Teachers' Day to you all.